Hi, today we're working on a Honda Fit and the battery light was on. And one of the questions often asked is, what does the battery light, or sometimes people refer to it as an alternator light, mean? Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So basically, you have a battery in your car and it's used to start the car up. Now it can run things, but it's really not designed to run them. It's designed to be charged. Now the battery light in very extremely rare circumstances can mean there's a battery issue, but it's not generally the case. What we have is we have an alternator that charges the battery. And so when the battery light is on, it means the battery is not getting charged. So it could be an alternator, it could be wiring, it could be a number of things. But that's basically what it means, is that the battery is not getting charged, and so you need to address that. I hope this has been informational to you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, blessings to you and safe travels.